I'm bored. Hey, got a great idea. I feel like giving something away. That's how this works, guys. We're gonna have 3 drawings, 3 times this month. The first day will be the 8th, second will be the 17th, third is the 26th. So you could potentially win 3 times. Here's the idea here, big giveaway, 3 items, 3 times, okay? We already had the dates, I'll announce them again. The first time you get this sweet little fancy new t-shirt released for 2020, the one I got on here, our Zone Garage. Sweet looking tee, man, and you get a nice little beanie to go with that. It'll still get chilly, so don't wait for it. It's Cincinnati, wait 10 minutes. Anyways, the other thing we're gonna give away is an Amazon $25 gift certificate, and last but not least is a free carpet cleaning. Okay, if you like and share our page and you do not have a carpet or house, or maybe your parents do, guess what? We'll give you a voucher for equal what the minimum would be to come out. So that's worth at least $99. So guys, this is a big giveaway. You could win 3 times. So what we need you to do is go and like our page. If you've already liked it, share it with your family, share it with your friends, share it with the public. But as many times as you share it, we're gonna put you in this hopper here for a chance to win, and then we're gonna turn that sucker on. Yeah, it's loud, ain't it? And we're gonna grind them up good. We're gonna mix them up good for this year, and we're gonna give away 3 items 3 times this month. And guess what? We're gonna do that every month. I'm gonna have a new t-shirt design. We're gonna give away another $25 gift certificate, and we're gonna give away another free cleaning. So that's huge. Stay tuned. Help us out. We love you guys. Talk to you soon.
I never felt. Come closer, I'll give you all my love if you treat me right.